You know that awesome feeling when your parents hand you pocket money? It's like you've just unlocked a superpower. But here's the thing, most kids use that power the wrong way. They spend it all too fast. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your pocket money grow instead of disappear. Let's imagine two kids, Emma and Jake. They both get $10 every week. Emma spends hers on snacks and stickers. Feels fun, right? But after a few days, she's broke. Jake, on the other hand, saves $5 every week. After just 2 months, he's got $40 saved up. That's when he does something smart. He buys art supplies and starts selling his own drawings to friends and family. Now Jake isn't just spending money, he's making it. That's the secret of pocket money. It's not just for spending, it's for learning. Every dollar you get is a tiny teacher showing you how to be smart, patient, and creative. Think of your money as little seeds. You can eat the seed now and enjoy it for a minute, or you can plant it and watch it grow into a money tree that gives you more later. Now, here's a simple trick to try starting today: the 3-box rule. Take 3 jars or boxes. Label them spend, save, and grow. Put half your money in spend, that's for fun stuff. Put 30% in save, that's for future goals. And the last 20% in grow, that's money you use to start something creative or helpful that could make more money later. It might sound small now, but when you do this every week, your money starts working for you. And here's the coolest part: when you start using your pocket money wisely, you feel more confident. You don't have to beg for things or wish you had more because you're already in control. That's real power. So next time you get your pocket money, remember, don't just spend it, use it like a superhero tool. Because smart kids don't chase money, they grow it, build it, and make it work for their dreams.